Hello and welcome on this new deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, please don't forget, my friends, to join our free channel on Telegram to receive any updates about the signals which you are about to receive right now. This is the channel Xtreme Trader Signals on Telegram, and you can also join our free gold signals channel on Telegram as well. This is the channel Xtreme Gold Signals. You can also find these links in the description below of this video to join instantly to the channel without any hesitation and without falling to any trap from the scammers who uses our name and logo and our successful reputation to pretend to be Xtreme Trader. So please just make sure to join the legitimate and genuine channel on Telegram. Here, of course, we are sending daily scalping signals on gold, and of course, this week the gold, my friends, was really insane. Let me just show you our results when the gold was fine before the elections. These were our results. Check this out. This is, of course, our results in the premium gold signals channel. As you can see, amazing results when there was no election, when the market was calm and it was totally fun to trade. These were our results. But anyway, now the elections are over and now we can finally trade the gold again. And as we can see, I actually have said if Mr. Donald Trump wins the election, the gold will continue the fall, and that is exactly what happened. The gold has indeed dropped to another almost 1,000 pips after his announcement of winning as a president, of course. What happened later is, of course, I sent another signal to sell the gold from 2,717, but sadly, the gold has reversed just like, oh my god, just 60 pips far away from my entry. It was really a good signal. I wish it has been activated. It would actually have been running in almost 300 pips of profit. However, what's next now with the gold? That's the big question. Now, first of all, we need to go to the weekly chart. So our plan is to do the following. We will just analyze the market based on weekly chart, then daily chart to get the direction. We should know if we can short or long. After that, we will move to the 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame to find our entry. So where exactly and precisely we can place our buy or sell. So let's now begin with the weekly chart. Now here is the weekly chart, as you can see, showing a price action indicates, of course, a continuation in the fall for two reasons. Number one is the price action right here. These four candles, once you see these four candles, it's usually a sign that the market right now has been way overbought and most likely getting ready to continue the fall to at least to reach this level of the support right here. Then after that, we can witness either a continuation in the fall, which I'm actually expecting, or maybe their attempt to make another pullback. But until then, we can focus on shorting the gold. So first sign says for the short. Second sign here we can see is the current candle, this candle. Once you see this kind of price action with the bearish breakout candle from the support, when the candle has actually a long tail and a small wick at the top, usually it's a sign that the market actually is gonna open with another bearish candle. Let me just show you example here if we are lucky enough to find one. Need to find example of a bearish, this one example here, exactly this one right here. So this was, of course, a bearish breakout candle from this level of a support. Then as you can see, the candle after was another red one. Here also another example. This candle was actually a bearish breakout from this level of a support. Then the next candle was another red one. So most likely here we're looking to another red candle. So weekly chart confirmed to be for the bearish. Let's now move to the daily chart. Here is the trick. Now daily chart shows us, of course, a strong bearish breakout candle, which actually has broke out from not only this level of a support, but also this level of a resistance. So the market actually has failed to create here a new support because we have here, of course, a broken level of a resistance, right? So when the market fell down to retest that level, it actually has failed to create a single attempt of a support. So another check to confirm the direction. Even when the candle of Thursday was another bullish candle, the market has actually made an attempt to make a breakout from that level, but instead on Friday it was another red candle. Now why do we see that? Let me show you. What is the reason we are seeing right here exactly? Right here, this red candle. Let me just now zoom out to show you this. So here, of course, based on daily chart, what we have right here, my friends, is a broken level of a support trend line. So of course here we have the bearish breakout candle from that support trend line, which actually has been formed since August. And now finally the market on Friday has indeed retested that level of a resistance a support trend line, and most likely right now is creating a new resistance trend line. So again, daily chart also confirms that we can look for shorting. So most likely, since we are actually having here the signs of a new resistance trend line, that means that we can expect from the candle to continue the fall at least to reach the bottom of the support right here at 2,650, which means the market still has another chance to fall to another 335 pips. So daily and weekly confirmed the bearish. Now we jump to the 4-hour time frame to find exactly where we can start shorting the gold. Alright, so now what we can see exactly based on the 4-hour time frame. Many things. First of all, is this level of a resistance trend line. Check this out. So right here we have of course a clear level of a resistance trend line, which indeed has been respected and became a support trend line for once, then instantly been broken out from. And now the same level of a resistance trend line has indeed been respected once again. So right now the gold, with the current price action that we have right here, of course it's going to continue the fall. I don't see it going up at all, but just in case if it's going to continue the rise, most likely we can actually sell the pair exactly right here at the same level of a resistance trend line. Now how can we confirm where exactly to short? The answer lies with the Fibonacci retracement. There you go. Exactly. Here we have of course a resistance in the past. As we can see, this wick right here represents actually a resistance, which also was Fibonacci 50, and right now the gold actually has a chance to rise again. If it's gonna continue the rise to respect this level of a resistance trend line, it will also has to respect most likely the resistance right here, resistance number 1 and Fibonacci number 50, and after that the gold, if it's gonna continue the fall to make a bearish breakout from 61.8, that's gonna be awesome, because it means it will continue the fall till 2608. But until then, we can actually continue shorting the gold till it just reach the bottom of the support right here exactly at 2656, and we will sell the gold exactly right here at 2697, which means we are actually expecting around 407 pips profit from the signal. Now in this case, our safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the previous level of a key support right here also, and a resistance as well at 2716, which is going to be ranging for around 200 pips. But fear nothing, my friends. If you are trading with Xtreme Trader Team and you are actually with us right here on this group, or actually this channel on Telegram, I will send here updates and notifications to tell you if we can close this signal in a small loss or partial profit. Just make sure, of course, to join our channel, Xtreme Trader Signals, and from there, of course, you can join even our gold signals channel. Just, of course, contact our support to have the access to that channel. So let me just now please write the signal for you. Sell from 697 and targeting, of course, the support right here at 2656, and by that we are done with the gold signal. And guys, again, remember, trading the gold nowadays is really tough, and we are doing, of course, the best we can. Every signal has a chance to fail, so please trade with the minimum lot size and be careful and wise. And remember, just because it came from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all it's gonna be a successful one. It always has a chance to fail, just like any other signal in the world. So until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.